Nti ubetimi abɔ ne sei anaasɛ ubetimi abɔ no. So nti o asem bisa bi a bisa me. Enyum de dodo na ye tabo highlife nge normally tina tetefo no bia na manane kapo eshen bottom. Nti whatever the key is na or the aklepo na obo. These days you say we are playing capo free. These days we are playing capo free. So the clip any answer no. We know there is an advantage and there is also a disadvantage. Playing capo free no, there is an advantage and there is a disadvantage. Advantage or the positive side, they say it makes you smart and it makes you also get all the notes behind the major root. It makes you get access to all the notes behind the clip. Okay, it makes you smart and very fast on the guitar. One disadvantage also say sometimes you may not be able to get all the roots, the bass roots, because trying to handle all the roots without a capo, sometimes it is very difficult. Most of the times obeti say if a band there bass guitar or keyboard or and no open one wire, everything the bass guitar will cover you the bass line. But okotna when you are saying na person o ji nkrofo ani one won afofo ahia na afi person o ji omani no, me I will suggest that you go with a couple. You go with a couple so that you become so fluent. You become so fluent on the guitar. Other than that, you can still play with your this. For me, I can play everything because I have been practicing. Okay, so if you are so take things very slowly and then do them. Ubetimi and so simple. Me kasa adoso teacher kasa bebe sa de asemo. And so my students in so enfime. Bring a question, we are enfime. It reminds me the classroom. Do you understand? Yes, sir. What you say? No, sir. So I would like you to ask me a question, please. I would like you to ask me a question. This video session, I have too much teacher centered, but I think that's how it should be for now. But please ask me a question. There are 2 people still watching me now. You can ask me a question. Thanks for joining. Bring your question. Not discussion or any come. Me twa wo question. They won't hear say no bisa.